October 2020, the year that if it was a fish, we would all throw it back. We have COVID. It reminds me of my divine storm, which was 2011 to 2016. My name is Katrina, and I am doing this channel because that was me in 2011. I got diagnosed with MS after starting off with optic neuritis, losing my vision for the second time in my left eye. I went to the eye doctor. He told me to immediately go to a neurologist and get an MRI. I probably had MS. I didn't even know what MS was. You go in and the doctor comes in and he's got kind of a somber look on his face, sits down and says, "I'm sorry, the MRI is showing lesions on your brain and on your spine, and you have multiple sclerosis." He told me to go home and get my affairs in order and plan ahead. He didn't know if I was going to be walking in a year. I was so blown away because I hike, I work with dogs. I do the same hike like several times a day, where one person will do that hike and they're exhausted. I do it several times a day. This isn't happening to me. What do you mean? I went through the whole grieving process, being scared, depressed, angry as hell. I went from hiking to having my life turned upside down. On top of it, I was in a relationship that was not ideal and certainly was not supportive. I went outside one night and I was just probably at the lowest point in my whole life. I asked for guidance and made a promise if I could ever get my life back, I could walk, I could hike, I would be in service to others. So that is the reason that I started this channel. It's not the new normal. You don't have to believe that. What the new normal for me, and I hope to share this with you, is you can make your life better, and you can be stronger, you can have more goals, you can accomplish more than before you got diagnosed. It's a wake-up call, guys. What do you want to change in your life? Did you always wish that you went ice climbing, or did you always wish that you had a different type of life? This is your chance. Make it. Reinvent yourself.